Hey guys, yesterday I think, or was it the 31st?
I think today is the second or the third.
The third. We had a blizzard, I think, was it? Snow
Yesterday we had a snowstorm.
And it's not really that bad out.
No, you're not going out there with my phone.
The door's closed anyway. Can't even open it. I'll turn the camera over and I'm trying. I just figured out that I cannot turn over the camera.
Yeah, you can.
No, I can't.
Oh, maybe not.
See, I'm trying so hard. My mom's strong. I'm so weak. See, it's not really that bad out. At least
Stay
nice
near where it's
though.
warm. Mark. Somewhat.
If you would get my channel 20,000 subscribers and 20,000,006 likes, we'll totally appreciate that.
Your gloves are in your pocket. Your head's in your bag.
What was I gonna say? If you guys know an app called Musical.ly, you can follow me on that. My name is Nell Haywood, I think. Yeah. My mom tried me in, so she let me use her name. So, hope you guys have a great Friday today. But if you're watching this another day, hope you guys have a great day. Bye!